Welcome dear students. Today we will talk about mathematics of class 9th, and now we are going to do exercise 4.2 because we have started chapter 4 linear equation in two variable. Before I will start this exercise, I want to tell you very important terms and very important fact about this linear equation in two variable. So first fact is, dear student, what is the geometrical meaning of this linear equation in two variable? See this is the general form of linear equation. So what is the geometrical meaning of this equation? So this geometrical meaning of this equation is, it represent a straight line. It represent a straight line. If we will draw the graph of this line, then we will get a straight line. Means geometrically, if we will talk about geometrically, we will get a straight line from this equation. Okay, hope you are very understood ki what is the geometrical meaning of this this equation. Now we are moving to the solution of this equation. So if we will talk about the solution of this equation, then two values of x, y which satisfy this equation are known as solution of this equation. Values of x, y, and how many such values are possible? So infinite many values are possible here. So this equation has infinite many solution. This equation has infinite many solution. Values of x, y which satisfy this equation. Which satisfy this equation means when we will put the value of x and value of y in this equation, then LHS will become RHS. Hope you are understood what I am telling to you. So these are the two terms, and now we are moving to the exercise. So let's see what is the exercise and in the question and their question. So let's see question number 1, 4.2 exercise question number 1. Which one of the following question is true and why? Why? Here question 1 says that y this is equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solution, infinite many solution. So dear student, I have told you that this is a linear equation, and how many solution a linear equation can have? Infinite many solution. So right answer is third option is, first to the third option is correct. Means this linear equation has infinite many solution. Question number second. Question second says that write 4 solution of each of the following equation. How many solutions? Write 4 solutions. And there are 3 sub questions. I am putting question number 1. Question number 1 is 2x plus y is equal to 7. Okay. So to find out the solution, what we will do here? We will draw a table. This is the solution table. Okay. So here is the value of x and here is the value of y. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We need 4 solution. I have drawn 4 column here. So by putting the value of x, we will calculate the value of y, and this will be the solution for these equation. Okay. If we will put y equal to 0, x equal to 0, then what it will be? Put the x is equal to 0 in this equation. So let's see here, if we will put the 0, so this is 2 into 0 plus y, this is equal to 7. I have put x is equal to 0 in this equation. So what it will be? 2 zeros is 0, finally it happens, and finally y equal to 7. So means when x is 0, the value of y is 7. Now put the value of x as 1. Then what it will be? This is 2 into 1 plus y, this is equal to 7. So this is 2 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 minus 2, and it will be 5. So it will be 5. Take x is equal to 2. So what it will be? If we will take x is equal to 2, then this is 2 into 2 plus y, this is equal to 7. Then y is equal to 7 minus 4, and it will be 3. So it will be 3. If we will take x is equal to 3, then what it will be? 2 into 3 plus y, this is equal to 7, and 3 2 just 6, so then y is equal to 7 minus 6, and it will be 1. It will be 1. So it will be 1. So this is how we can calculate as many solutions as required. Okay. By taking the any value of x, we will get any value of y, and this will be the solution. You can take value of x, any value of x, and you will get according to that you will get the value of y, and this will be the solution. So now you are getting my point, what I am telling to you. So in every question write 5 solution, write 6 solution, write 10 solution, then you will add the column here. So here these are the 4 solutions. Okay, hope you are understood how I am telling you how to find the solution. Okay, now we are moving to the question number 3rd. Let's see question number 3rd. Question 3rd says that check whether the following are solution of equation. So equation is given x minus 2y, this is equal to 4, and which are not, means here many questions are given here, like first question is 0, 2, and second question is 2, 0, third question is 4, 0, and fifth question is root 2, 4, root 2, okay, and fifth question is 1, 1. So these are the questions, and here it is asking that check whether these points are solution of this equation or not. See here student, this is in coordinate form, this is first term is x and second term is y, and similarly you have to also write here, you have to write the solution set. So it is 0, 7, and it is 1, 5, and it is 2, 3, and it is 3, 1. Okay. So in this way you will write 4 solutions of this equation are this, and this. Okay. Let's see here. What is the solution of a equation? A value of x and y which satisfy the equation. Satisfy means LHS become RHS. So put the value of x and y for the question number first. Here 0 and 2 means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. So put the y is equal to 2. So put the value, these values in the equation first. What is LHS? First see, this is LHS left hand side, and this is RHS right hand side. Okay. In the RHS it will be 4. We will calculate the LHS. If this will be equal to 4, then we will say LHS is equal to RHS, and this given point is the solution of this equation. Otherwise it is not a solution of equation. Okay, so let's see. So here what we will do, LHS, put 0, x minus 2y, x minus 2y. So it is 0 minus 2 into 2. So finally it will be 0 minus 4, and it will be minus 4, and which is not equal to RHS, because RHS is 4 and it is minus 4, and minus 4 is not equal to 4. So not a solution. No. Okay. Second, now we are moving to the next question, 3rd. See this 3rd question. What it is here? This is LHS. 3rd question, it is 4, 0. Here x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 and y equal to 0. Now what we will do? We will calculate LHS, which is x minus 4y. What it is? It is 4 minus, it is 4 into 0. Now it will be 4 minus 0, and it will be 4, which is equal to RHS. Which is equal to RHS. So it means this is a solution. So we will write here yes. So first point is not a solution. Third point is a solution. So this is a solution. Hope you are getting my point. In this way we can do this question number 4 also. So let's see this question number. Let's see this 4th question number 3rd to the 4th question. This is root 2, 4 root 2. Here x is equal to root 2 and y is equal to 4 root 2. Okay. So this root 2, don't hesitate with this root 2 because these are number, these are irrational number. We have studied in chapter first. So we don't have to worry because they are just a numbers. So x is equal to root 2 and y is equal to 4 root 2. What LHS? We have to calculate LHS. Put the value of x and y in this equation. So x minus 2y. So it will be, this is x is root 2 minus this is 2 into it is 4 root 2. So it will be root 2 minus it is 4 2 ja 8 root 2 and this is 1 root 2 basically. When you will subtract 1 root 2 may say 8 root 2, then it will be minus 7 root 2. Okay, which is not equal to RHS, which is not equal to RHS. So answer is no. It is not a solution of this equation. So now you are very clear about these questions. Let's move to the question number 4. See this question number 4, what is it and how we will solve that question. So question number says that find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Okay. If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Okay, so we have to find the value of k. What will be the value of k? See dear student, these are the solution of this equation. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So when you will put the value of x and y in this equations LHS and RHS become equal. So put it here. This is 2 into 2 plus this is 3 into 1 is equal to k. So what it will be, 2 2 ja 4 plus 3 1 ja 3 is equal to k. So 7 is equal to k. So what will be the value of k? 7. Answer. So this is how you will do this question. Okay dear student, so hope you are getting my point. So finish this exercise. Okay, thanks for watching this video.